Welcome back. Archana Udupa, who hails from a family of musicians and music lovers, is a noted Kannada singer. Last week, she was in Mangalore along with other Kannada singers to entertain the Mangaloreans with light music. Let us now begin our entertainment bash with this wonderful Kannada song written by K.V. Puttappa from Geetotsava 2008 held in Mangalore. Archana is accompanied by P.A. Mangala. Enjoy listening to this song. Jaya Tilak is a versatile singer. Even though his mother tongue is not Konkani, he is considered as one of the popular Konkani singers. Adolf, who has bought music albums in Konkani, is even good in singing Sri Lankan numbers. Here we bring you a Sri Lankan number from the Konkan Shahs held in Dubai. Watch Adolf performing on stage and dance to his tunes.
Dingere-dingale, Meenakshi dingere-dingale, Amna apata borma makata yanaka-yanakale. Dingere-dingale, Meenakshi dingere-dingale, Danna apata borma makata ganata-yanakale. Rahas ganana udka yamana kodum karangal mataka nedda mama damme horum karangal Rahas ganana yadana makana kodum barangal mataka nedda mama damme horum karangal Foreign gold chain potak bane bande mang Good God me needate yamme danu mang Adare maganona mata gamata yannavona denna gommage maase padiya karuna karala dingere dingale Meenakshi dingere dingale danna apata borumu makata ganaka yanakale dingere dingale Meenakshi dingere dingale danna apata borumu makata ganaka yanakale hey Janatuwa takta makade mahimu momerata body support dengana kana bilang kawata Janatuwa takta mamati mahimu kumburata body paiti dime makade bilang kawata wambatu vedalaku patola pinchu timbatu You can buy at the market pitikutu beetroot bagitiyana meena baby ragare baby no na airavanna mokadame hore baby nagadira maka baby ragare baby no na mera gadda me ho pare dingere dingale Meenakshi dingere dingale ganna apata bonuma takata manaka henakale hey dingere dingale Meenakshi dingere dingale ganna apata bormu makata ganaka yanakale hey hey dingere dingale Meenakshi dingere dingale ganna apata bormu makata ganaka yanakale once again dingere dingale Meenakshi dingere dingale ganna apata bormu makata hanaka yanakale
हाताची पती गोंयच्या सायबाक हांवें आंकून केल्या कांतारीक निसांनी बाती दिल्या काजार कर म्हणून हांवें आशा केल्या जावून यो रे म्हज्या मोरी इच्छा पिल्या जावून यो रे म्हज्या मोरी इच्छा पिल्या जावून यो रे म्हज्या मोरी इच्छा पिल्या.
We have one more song by another famous singer of the Konkani music world, but after this short break, so don't miss it.
ಜಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ದೋಷ ಈ ದೋಷ, ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮೇಲೇಳುವ ಮೊದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಯ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಪ್ಪ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ, ಅಣ್ಣವರ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ನೀಡಪ್ಪ, ಬಾರ್ಲಾ.
ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಇರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳ ಖರೀದಿ, ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಸದಾ ಸಿದ್ಧ.
For anything and everything in real estate, property, real estate and developers, Mangalore.
Welcome back once again. You are watching Digi Global Panvision. Now last but not least, we bring you a Konkani song by Goa's evergreen voice Lorna from her show held in Mangalore. So here we go. That's all we had in our kitty today. Before I bid adios to you, let me remind you that I will be back with lots more entertainment programs in our next episode. So thank you very much for being with us and take good care of yourselves. Bye.